Sexual reproduction in fungi. Sexual reproduction in fungi, part 2. Sexual reproduction occurs by basically two methods. Occurs by basically two methods. Number first, syngamy. Number second, conjugation. The two steps occur almost the two steps occur almost in lower forms. In higher fungi, the two steps of fertilization, the two steps of fertilization are separated by a distinct phase called dikaryophage. In dikaryophage, the cells contain two nuclei. In dikaryophage, the cells contain two nuclei. Sex organs are undifferentiated in lower forms. Sex organs are undifferentiated in lower forms. They are differentiated in moderately evolved fungi. In advanced form, the sex organs show a tendency towards simplification. Undifferentiated hyphal cells perform sexual reproduction. In somatogamy. The various methods of sexual reproduction are as follows. The various methods of sexual reproduction are as morphology. Number first, planogametic copulation. Planogametic copulation. Here fusion occurs between flagellate gametes. Planogametic copulation. Here fusion occurs between flagellate gametes. Flagellate gamete. फ्लैजिला युक्त युग्मकों के बीच में यहाँ पे संलयन की प्रक्रिया होती है. Planogametic copulation is of three types. Planogametic copulation is of three types. Number first, isoplanogametic copulation. Isoplanogametic copulation. Number second, N-isoplanogametic. N-isoplanogametic copulation. And number third, uplanogametic copulation. Planogametic copulation. Number second, gametangial contact. Gametangial contact. It is a sexual reproduction in which it is the sexual reproduction in which male and female sex organs come in contact. In which male and female sex organ come in contact. So the male sex organ is able to send its male gametes or nucleus into the female sex organ. Gametes are nucleus into the female sex organ. The male sex organ is called antheridium. The male sex organ is called antheridium, while the female sex organ is known as oogonium. A pore is created in the region of contact. A pore is created in the region of contact. The male nucleus passes directly through this pore or through a short fertilization tube. Number third type of mode of sexual reproduction. gametangial population. Gametangial population. In this sexual reproduction, the two gametangia in this sexual reproduction, the two gametangia come in contact and fuse. Come in contact and fuse completely to form a completely to form a zygote or zygospore. Zygote or zygospore. For example, rhizopus and mucor. Rhizopus and mucor. Number second, spermatization. The next procedure of sexual reproduction is spermatization. The male gametes are produced in large number. The male gametes are produced in large number. They are non-flagellated and are called spermatia. Are non-flagellated and called spermatia. Spermatia. The female sex organ has a the female sex organ has a receptive outgrowth called trichogen. The male gametes attached to trichogen. The male gametes attached to trichogen for shedding its content. For shedding its contents to the region of female nucleus. To the region of female nucleus. Next procedure is somatogamy. Somatogamy. Distinct sex organs do not differentiate. Distinct sex organ do not differentiate. Instead, two somatic hyphae. Instead, two somatic hyphae approach each other and their cells fuse. approach each others and their cells fuse. Next is heterothylism. Heterothylism. Heterothylism is the phenomena in which the fusing gametes is the phenomena in which the fusing gametes belong to two distinct strains of same species. Strains of same species, though there may not be any morphological distinction between gametes. It was first discovered by Black Castley in 1904. Blackesley found that in Mucor and Rhizopus certain strains formed zygospores even in pure culture where different mycelia belong to the same genetic strain. Other species did not form zygospore in the pure culture but did so in mixture culture. Blackesley then coined the term homothylism and heterothylism. Since there is no morphological distinction between the different strains producing the compatible gametalgia, they are called positive and negative, and A and B are A and alpha. Classroom clusters of rhizopus are commonly divided up zygospores because they usually develop from single spores settling on the culture. Importance of heterothylism. Heterothylism is a mechanism to perform outbreeding and prevent inbreeding. As it involves sexual reproduction between genetically different strains, the product of sexual reproduction come to have different alleles and different gene linkage. It produces variation that are helpful in adapting to diverse habitats, unfavorable environments and toxic chemical. चूंकि हेट्रोथाइलिज्म डिफरेंट स्ट्रैंड्स के बीच में होता है और उसमें डिफरेंट स्ट्रैंड्स के जेनेटिक कंटेंट एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, तो इसकी वजह से जो आपसे स्प्रिंग यानी संतान पैदा होती है उसमें क्या होता है, रिकम्बिनेशन ऑफ जीन्स के कारण नए ट्रेट्स डेवलप हो जाते हैं और ये नया ट्रेट्स क्या करता है, अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन में अपने आप को एडाप्ट रख पाने में क्या होता है, ज़्यादा सक्षम होता है। तो दोस्तों अगले वीडियो लिंक में हम लोग फंगस क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। इस वीडियो लिंक में इतना ही। आप हमारे अगले वीडियो लिंक की प्रतीक्षा करें। धन्यवाद।